Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I will be showing you guys how to make this Nashville hot chicken sandwich. This recipe is sweet, it's savory, it's hot, it's everything you need in a chicken sandwich. But before I show you guys how it's done, please take a second to subscribe. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and let's get started. All right, family, here are the ingredients. I am starting out with the seasoning for the flour. We have paprika, chili powder, seasoned salt, white pepper, black pepper, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. Next, we have some club soda to make our chicken nice and crunchy. And also we have the all-purpose flour. We have our buttermilk to make our chicken nice and juicy. And also we have some honey. You can use brown sugar if you want. We also have some pickles and as well as ground black pepper. This is for the sauce. Ground black pepper, garlic powder, as well as some cayenne pepper. And also we have some, hot sauce. This is going to be so spicy. And this is the chicken thighs. We'll be using their boneless, skinless chicken thigh. First thing first, I am going to place them to a large bowl. Next, I am going to pour in my hot sauce. And next, we are going to pour in the buttermilk as well as our club soda and give that a quick mix. Next, we are going to cover this, place it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes, and we are going to move on to our flour. This is the seasoning we're going to season the flour with. It's going to be very, very flavorful. Next, I am going to give that a quick whisk just like so and set it aside. By now, my chicken is nice and marinated. We're going to grab it from the fridge. And what you're going to do, you're going to take your chicken, allow the excess buttermilk to drain a little bit. Then you're going to place it into your seasoned flour. Next, I am going to place it back into the buttermilk just to have a nice crunchy and crispy breading. Next, I am going to take it back to the flour and do it again. I like to add the flour to all of my chicken prior to frying. That way I don't have to go back and forth. I am going to do it again for you guys just so you guys can see. I have my oil already preheating on 350. I am going to gently place the chicken right in there, and I am going to fry it for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're nice and golden brown and ready to go. And don't forget here and there to flip your chicken just to make sure they are cooking evenly. And also you guys can see, oh, they looking so crispy and so beautiful. Now I am also going to grab a spoon to take a spoonful of the hot oil. Save it for later. I am about to make the sauce. I am going to use the hot oil. So for the sauce, I am adding cayenne pepper, garlic powder, paprika, as well as some ground black pepper. And also we are going to pour in the honey. And next I am going to pour in the hot oil. And if you find this sauce a bit too thick for you, you can add in some hot sauce. Now we're going to give that a nice stir just to make sure everything is well combined. And you are going to take a brush and start brushing or pouring that sauce all over your chicken. And as you guys can see, my sauce was a little too thick. Like I said, you can add some hot sauce. And yes, this was extremely spicy. At the same time, it's nothing you cannot handle because it's sweet at the same time, and you can still taste the flavor of the chicken. And now it's time for me to plate this. Oh my god, it's looking so good. So now for the plating, I am going to take my brioche bun or any sandwich bun. You can toast them if you like. And I am going to place the chicken, place some more sauce. As you guys can see, this sauce is more runny because I added some hot sauce to it. And I am going to add my pickles. And basically, guys, add your bun and it's ready to go. And this is the final result. Delicious. And I had to cut the chicken for you guys. Oh my god, it was so juicy and tender at the same time. It's super flavorful, sweet, savory. It's hot at the same time. Like I said, it's nothing you cannot handle because it was sweet at the same time. Now, if you don't want to make it as spicy, you can reduce the cayenne pepper. But anyways, thank you so much for taking your time for watching today's video. I will see you guys. Well, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.